Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to crochet this headband, and I think it's pretty simple pattern and it looks great. So let's get started. I'm going to use this yarn called Gold from Yarn Art. I will use 2 strands of yarn and I will use 4.5 millimeters crochet hook. You can use any other yarn, and you will need scissors, yarn needle and measuring tape. I'm going to use 2 strands of yarn, how I said, so I'm going to use double yarn, start with slip knot and use 4.5 millimeters crochet hook if you are working with the same yarn. And now let's make the foundation chain. And we make as many chain stitches as we want the headband to be long. So I'm going to make an adult size, so I'm going to make the foundation chain 50 centimeters long and 50 centimeters because you need to make the foundation chain 4 to 5 centimeters shorter than the circumference of the head because it's stretchy. Okay, I'm done with my foundation chain and I'm going to measure it for you. So it's 50 centimeters long and I need to have the circumference of my headband about 54 centimeters. So it's enough. And now we are going to make double crochet in the 5th chain, and you will make 1 double crochet through each chain. So you have to make 1 double crochet in each chain all the way across. I am at the end of the row, so I need to make last double crochet in very last chain and then chain 2 and turn your work. In next row, we are going to make 2 half double crochets in 1 stitch, and you have to start in the 2nd stitch, not in the 1st, but in the 2nd stitch you need to make 2 half double crochets. So start in the 2nd stitch and make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, I have 2 half double crochets, and now skip 1 and then 2 half double crochets in following stitch again. So skip this stitch and insert your hook into the following stitch and make 2 half double crochets. And repeat it again. So skip 1 and then 2 half double crochets. So continue working 2 half double crochets every 2nd stitch all the way across. I'm nearly at the end. Now I have to skip and 2 half double crochets in following stitch. I have 1 and 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. You can see 2 stitches left. So skip 1 and make 1 half double crochet into the very last stitch. So it's the 2nd chain what we made at the beginning, and this is what this looks like. At the end of the row, chain 2 and turn your work. In next row we are going to make half double crochets again, but you will insert your hook into the gap. It's the gap between two half double crochets from previous row, and start in the second gap and make first half double crochet. So this is first half double crochet, and now you can go back into the first gap and make another half double crochet. So with this way you will get crossed half double crochets. And repeat it again. So skip gap and make one half double crochet into the following gap. I'm going to do it again. So skip one gap, again, skip one gap, one half double crochet into the following gap, and then go back into the previous gap and make one half double crochet, and repeat it again. So continue working like this all the way across. I'm at the end of the row and I have 2 gaps left. So I'm going to the very last gap and I'm going to make a half double crochet and then go back into the previous gap and make last half double crochet. Last crossed half double crochet. And now you need to make very last half double crochet into the chain. So here goes last half double crochet of the row. Chain 1 and turn your work. And now we are going to make single crochets, and you need to start in very first stitch and make first single crochet, then make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And that's the whole pattern, and you will repeat row 1 up to 4 until you reach the desired width of the headband. And how wide you want the headband to be, it's up to you. My headband width will measure about 10 centimeters. Okay, I have 2 stitches left. I have to make last 2 single crochets, and at the end of the row, chain 2 and turn your work. Okay, start in the second stitch and make first double crochet. So it's going to be row of double crochets, and in the first, second and third row you will always start with chain 2 and you will start in the second stitch or second gap, and row 4 is row of single crochet, so you need to make just 1 chain at the beginning and start in the very first stitch. And this is what this looks like. I have done 12 rows, and now we are going to join both sides of the headband together, and I'm going to measure the width of my headband, and how I said it's 10 centimeters, and now I'm going to join both sides together with slip stitches, but you can sew it if you want. It's up to you. and leave this tail longer because we will need it also for the middle of the headband. And you need to join both sides of the headband on the wrong side. Okay, both sides of headband are joined. So now we simply wrap the yarn around the center of the headband, but not on the wrong side. We need to do it on the right side. Okay, I'm satisfied with it. It's enough. And then you can make a simple knot with two ends of the yarn because there is also the starting tail. So make a knot and then hide both tails inside the headband. And we are at the end of the headband tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.